How to use ChatGPT Complete Beginner Tutorial 2025. If you've heard about ChatGPT but have no idea how to actually use it, this video is for you. I'll show you everything from creating your account to writing your first prompt that gets amazing results. By the end, you'll be using ChatGPT like a pro. Let's dive in. Before we continue, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. First, what exactly is ChatGPT? It's an AI chatbot from OpenAI that can have conversations, answer questions, write content, and help with almost any task you can think of. Think of it as your super smart assistant, available 24/7. Step 1. Go to chat.openai.com. You can use ChatGPT for free, but there's also a paid version with extra features. Click Sign Up, enter your email, verify your account, and you're in. The interface is simple. There's a text box at the bottom where you type your questions or requests. Now for the fun part, your first prompts. Instead of just saying, "Write me a blog post," try this. Write a 300-word blog post about morning routines for busy professionals, include 3 specific tips and make the tone friendly and encouraging. The more details you give ChatGPT, the better your results. 3 pro tips to instantly improve your results. Give context. Instead of, "Help me write an email," say, "Help me write a professional email to my boss requesting time off for vacation." Ask for formats. You can say, "Give me this as a bullet list," or "Format as a table." Refine your results. If you don't like the first answer, say, "Try again with a more casual tone," or "Make this shorter." 3 mistakes beginners make. Being too vague. Not following up with clarifying questions. Forgetting that ChatGPT can make mistakes, so always double-check important info, especially dates and facts. That's it. You now know how to use ChatGPT effectively. Start with simple questions, get specific with your prompts, and don't be afraid to experiment. If this helped you, hit subscribe for more AI tutorials. What's the first thing you want to ask ChatGPT? Let me know in the comments below.